Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need Forza Horizon 5, access to the storefront, and some credits. Make sure your account is signed in. First, open the auto show or auction house. This is where you'll search for the G Wagon. Once done, filter by manufacturer, model name, and price. That narrows results fast. If you prefer buying, set a buyout budget and enable notifications. This keeps you ready to act when a G Wagon appears. Now focus on routes to acquire the G Wagon. Auto show stock rotates, so check daily. Auction house listings depend on other players, so monitor bids. If you see one, inspect upgrades and condition, then decide buyout versus bidding. Forzathon and Festival playlist can occasionally reward rare cars. Make sure to complete targeted challenges. Once you commit, finalize purchase or place a strategic bid. Keep an eye on your funds and bank the vehicle quickly to avoid losing it. Finish by transferring the G Wagon to your garage and applying any desired upgrades and liveries. This prevents accidental loss in menus. If the car doesn't appear after purchase, first restart the game and clear local cache. Make sure online services show green. If auction items vanish or payment fails, confirm transaction history and contact support. Otherwise, revisit the auction house or auto show. Another G Wagon usually appears. One trouble.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.